The biggest challenge with sexual abuse in nursing home cases is finding out what really happened. The reason for that is twofold. One, the victim of sexual assault in a nursing home is often someone with moderate to severe cognitive impairment, serious dementia, so that they have a very compromised ability to communicate. Relatedly, the nursing homes often try to sweep this under the rug. And so it's most common that when sexual assault occurs, the nursing home will delay reporting the incident to the authorities. And that's a problem because by the time the authorities are contacted, it's often the case it's too late for the criminal authorities to gather evidence of the sexual assault. It's also, they delay reporting this to the family. So the family is not able to speak with their loved one close in time to when the sexual assault happened. And relatedly, since we often have an elder who can't communicate what happened and by whom, it presents some problems of proof with us. But again, just like our other cases, we can go to documentation and then interviewing or deposing witnesses to put the pieces together, even though we don't have the type of evidence that, say, a criminal authorities would have. And what we've found is, although a cognitively impaired elder can't articulate to you how it happened and why and how he or she is feeling about this, but we find that their conduct going forward will reveal that it happened and the serious effect it has had. So in those cases, the family members coming in, giving very compelling testimony about what was your mother like before this sexual assault happened, and then how was her behavior and what kind of things did she say afterwards. And we have found that when they are sexually assaulted, not surprisingly, they will become very combative going forward. Very combative, particularly with the females that have been sexually assaulted. They're not comfortable anymore with males being around them. And we found in one case where the elder would start confusing the person who sexually assaulted it with even her husband. Any males that were around her, she would reach out, strike out, and become very agitated. So it has life-lasting effects, but you've got to develop it not through the victim, but through often family members who've observed the conduct after the sexual assault.